Hello students and welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Pooja Malhotra, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce, Dayal Singh College, Karnal. Today we are going to discuss the topic International Job Analysis and Design under the paper International Human Resource Management. After completing this module, you will be able to understand the concept of international job analysis and design. You will be able to understand the objectives, importance of international job analysis and design, as well as you will be able to know the process and techniques of international job analysis and design. So, let us start this topic. As we know, human resource planning from international point of view is relatively very difficult and complex as against domestic human resource planning due to the involvement of various issues like language, culture, family adaptability, in addition to the job skills, talents and the knowledge requirement. Human resource planning is concerned with determination of both quantitative as well as qualitative requirements of human resources for the organization. Now, the quantitative aspect is concerned with determining the total number of people who are required to do the work, and the qualitative aspect covers the kind or quality of people required to do the work. Now, MNCs, they have to consider the requirements not only for the current job as well as the country, but also for the future assignments in various other countries wherever the MNC is currently operating and or proposing to operate in future. International business is also volatile as compared to domestic business environment. So, hence the requirements of human resources for an MNC are complex and rather critical. In addition, forecasting the supply of human resources in international market is also critical as compared to domestic labor market due to the problems in getting data relating to human resources across the world. Further, international human resource market is highly dynamic because of the variations in quantity and quality of human resources available in different countries at different times, different levels of human resource participation in employment, the quality and extent of the educational facilities available for different segments of population in various countries, and occupational and industrial structure in various countries. The quality and characteristics of the people to be employed very much depend upon the detailed knowledge about the nature and requirements of the jobs. Such knowledge can be obtained through the process of job analysis. In general, job analysis is a detailed and systematic study of jobs to know the nature and characteristics of the people to be employed on various jobs. Job analysis, it includes the collection of necessary facts regarding the job and doing their analysis. Keeping in view the international business environment, MNCs define the jobs, duties and the responsibilities and collect the information relating to various facets of jobs to determine the work conditions, the nature of work, qualities of persons to be employed, position of the job, opportunities available and facilities to be given on the job, etc. The data relating to job may be classified as in job identification, nature of the job, operations involved in doing the job materials and equipments required to do the job, personnel qualities required to do the job, relation of job with other jobs in the organization, conditions and place of the job, So, the data relating to job includes two aspects. One that is concerned with data relating to job, and the other is concerned with the individuals doing the job. The job requirements are termed as job description, and the qualities of the job holder to be required to do the job are termed as job specifications. So, hence job analysis includes two things. One is job description and the other is job specification. Job description basically answers the questions like what is the job, how it is to be conducted, where it is to be conducted, etc. While the job specification tells about the qualities and the skills required from the job holders. Now we will discuss the objectives of international job analysis. There are various objectives for which international job analysis is, which includes first of all identification of international jobs. Through job analysis, the company comes to know about the jobs at its international offices. All executive and managerial, supervisory and lower level jobs are identified. Secondly, work simplification. Job analysis is conducted to simplify the processes and methods involved in the job. In today's complex international scenario, it is very important to redesign the job as per the current needs. Thirdly, establishment of standards. Standard establishes the minimum acceptable qualities that are necessary for effective performance of the job. Job analysis helps in determining the job performance standards. Next is the support to other personnel activities. Once the job is analyzed, the data can be used for recruitment, selection, training, development, performance appraisal, job evaluation and many other personnel activities. At present, companies working globally are facing competition not only from other international companies but also from domestic companies. So, to combat competition, companies are designing their HR strategies accordingly. MNCs conduct comprehensive job analysis to hire talented and skilled employees. So, there are some of the purposes for which information about the job is gathered and used. The first one is organizational design. Job analysis provides information about classification of jobs and their interrelationships, which helps organizations to take decisions relating to their hierarchical positions and functional differentiation in international offices or places of work. Secondly, human resource planning. Job analysis is the qualitative aspect of human resource requirements as it is concerned with determining the skills, qualities and other human attributes. It facilitates the division of work into different jobs. The company can plan about human resources for its international locations. Next is recruitment and selection. To hire right person for a job, it is very essential to know about the requirements of the job and the qualities of an individual to perform the job. So, job description and job specification provides this information. MNCs can decide about the recruitment and selection of locally available talents or the talent from parent company according to job requirements. Hence, the job analysis helps the MNCs to recruit and select right type of people for different jobs. MNCs can frame their recruitment and selection policy accordingly. They can go for ethnocentric, polycentric, regiocentric or global approach of recruitment. The next benefit is in placement and orientation. Job analysis helps in matching the job requirements with the abilities, interests and aptitudes of people. MNCs will assign jobs to persons on the basis of suitability for the job. For executive jobs or jobs requiring highly skilled and talented people, the company can go for its parent country nationals or employees having required talent and skills from parent company to work in international subsidiaries. Companies can also design their orientation program to help employees in learning the activities and duties required to perform a given job more effectively. The next benefit is in training and development. On the basis of information provided by job analysis, MNCs can identify the training needs and design training programs accordingly. Employee development programs such as job rotation, job enlargement and job enrichment are also based upon the analysis of job requirements. The next benefit is in job evaluation. Job analysis provides the basis for job evaluation. Job evaluation is concerned with determining the worth of the jobs on the basis of job analysis, which in turn helps in determining the remuneration of the employees. To remunerate accordingly and accurately for a job, an accurate job description and job specification is required. Next benefit is in performance appraisal. Job analysis helps in determining the standards of performance appraisal for every job. Hence, the performance of every employee can be checked easily against the set standards and necessary action can be taken if any discrepancy is found. If the performance is higher than the set standards, other positive moves like promotions, transfers, job enrichments, rotations, etc. can also be considered. The next benefit of job analysis is in job designing. Job analysis helps the industrial engineers in designing the job by making comprehensive study of job elements. It also helps in time and motion study, work specifications, methods and workplace improvement and work measurement. On the basis of information of job analysis, jobs are redesigned in order to make them more interesting and flexible. It enhances the organizational performance by designing the jobs for more satisfied employees by including job enlargements, job enrichments, etc. Next, we can see the benefit of job analysis in safety and health. Job analysis helps to know how easy or difficult a job is. It provides information relating to each and every aspect of a job. It also states the risk associated with the job. Hence, the companies can take measures in advance for safety of its employees against the risk involved. The next benefit is in employee counseling. The employees not performing as per the standards of performance as set out by the job analysis can be advised to improve their performance. They can also be counseled for returning to their home countries or shifting to some other subsidiary or department depending upon their skills and requirements. Next benefit is in employee relations. Job analysis also helps in improving employer-employee relations. It can also be used to resolve disputes and grievances relating to workload, work procedures, etc. Now we will discuss the process of international job analysis. The first step is organizing and planning for the program. First of all, the program of job analysis is planned and organized. The company must decide about the in charge of the program and must assign responsibilities to the designated persons. Company can prepare a time schedule and budget for this purpose. The program can be planned for separate international locations separately, or a comprehensive program for all locations can be done keeping in view the limitations of time, budget, international conditions, etc. The second step is obtaining the current job design information. The job analyst should obtain information relating to current design of the jobs. For this purpose, current job description and job specification or system flow chart, etc. should be studied. Next step is conducting needs research. The job analyst should determine the need for conducting research. He should determine the purpose for which job analysis is done and to what extent jobs must be analyzed and how the information will be used. Next is the priorities in jobs to be analyzed. The priorities can be fixed for the jobs to be analyzed. The next is collecting job data. Next step is to collect the data about the selected existing jobs by using systematic techniques. For some subsidiaries, the analysis of similar jobs conducted at parent company can be analyzed through considering conditions and environment of the country of subsidiary. Next is to redesign the job. The jobs can be redesigned if necessary, keeping in view the environment of the host countries. Preparing job descriptions and job classifications. On the basis of information collected, job description is prepared. It shows the full details of the activities of the job. Next is developing job specifications. Job specifications are also prepared on the basis of collected information. This statement show the minimum required qualities and abilities of the person to be placed on the job. Such statement is used as a standard for matching the skills of a person at the time of selection for the job. Now we will discuss the techniques of international job analysis. Job analysis, as we know, it is concerned with collecting the data about a job. So we have various ways in which a company can collect the information relating to a job. So the first method is the questionnaire method. Job analyst can collect the information by distributing a detailed questionnaire among the employees. The employees will answer the questions as per their best knowledge and belief. Supervisors can also assist in getting the information. However, this technique is very time consuming and may not give the satisfactory results because of getting incomplete questionnaire or wrong or incorrect information provided by the employees. The second method we have is observation method. Another reliable and practical method is to get the information through personal observation of the job performed. Analysts can also seek information from the supervisors or employees themselves. This technique can be used where the job is simple and repetitive in nature. The third method we have is the interview method. To collect information, job analysts conduct interviews of employees as well as of superiors. They seek information by asking questions regarding various jobs performed by them. Next, we can have record. The human resource department can also keep record of various jobs and job holders. Information about jobs can be taken from these records. However, it will not provide the complete information. The information relating to environment of host countries, the employer-employee relations, etc., these cannot be obtained from this method. So, next we have the critical incidents method. Job holders give knowledge about the incidents relating to job on the basis of their past experience. The incidents are analyzed and classified as per job areas. The analyst can distinguish between effective and ineffective behavior of the employees on the job. Next, we can have job performance method. The job analyst actually performs the job under study to get first hand experience of the job, its physical, social, actual environment. Though this method can be used only where high skill requirement is low and can be easily and quickly learnt. Next is the competency based job analysis. Many MNCs are adopting modern techniques of job analysis which are not based upon the traditional way of describing jobs in terms of job duties and responsibilities. So, competency based job analysis describes the job in terms of measurable, observable, behavioral competencies like knowledge, skills, behaviors that an employee performing that job must exhibit to do the job well. In MNCs, there is demand of high performance work system. The employees are encouraged to perform in a self motivated way and generally the teams are prepared to do the job. Employees are motivated to rotate freely among the jobs. High performing employees are offered foreign assignments. They are equipped with competencies required for performing their jobs. Many of MNCs use the above methods as we have discussed earlier for collecting job analysis data in combination to get better results. Now we will discuss the job design in international context. Job design is comparatively of recent origin. Design of a job has remarkable influence on productivity as well as on job satisfaction. Jobs which are poorly designed result into boredom, high turnover, job dissatisfaction, low productivity and increase in overall cost. Hence, if the jobs are designed properly, it can help in avoiding all these negative consequences. Job design is covered with integrating the job requirements in terms of tasks, functions, etc., and the human qualities to perform that job like skills, knowledge, abilities, etc., in a way that meet the needs of the employees and the organization. On the basis of job analysis, jobs may be redesigned also for improving productivity. MNCs design international jobs to meet the requirements of employees as well as the organization. To motivate the employees to join foreign subsidiaries or ventures, jobs are designed accordingly. Job design includes the techniques basically like job rotation, job enlargement, job enrichment, etc. There are certain prerequisites for designing an international job. First of all, with changes in technology, business processes also change. So, jobs should also be redesigned. Hence, a static job description cannot be used all the times. there should be a change in job design as well as structure. Secondly, jobs should be designed keeping in view the environmental, organizational and behavioral factors relating to particular host country. Next, after the job redesign, the HR managers need to update job descriptions, specifications and performance evaluation criteria. The reward system should also be designed according to new roles and the responsibilities as set out by job design or redesign. And while designing or redesigning the jobs, employees' desires and motives should also be considered. Now, there are certain importance of job design in international context, which are, first of all, in present scenario of changes, no job can be static. It needs to be changed as per the changing roles of the personnel as well as the environmental conditions. To achieve higher productivity and optimum utilization of manpower, jobs should be properly designed. Next, the properly designed jobs remove any role ambiguity and conflicts of interest. Jobs are designed or redesigned to suit employees to join foreign assignments. Employees also feel satisfied with proper job design. Now, we will discuss the methods of job design in international context. The first method is job simplification. The job is divided into smaller parts on the basis of time and motion studies. Employees can do the jobs without much specialized training. Also, small operations of the job can also be performed simultaneously so that the whole job can be done more quickly. Second method of job design is job rotation. To give variety and to remove the boredom, employees are shifted from one job to another job within a working group. It is a transfer of a job of same level and status. As a development program, employees working well in parents' companies may be shifted to subsidiaries in same department or other department. The main benefit of job rotation is that it relieves the employees from monotony and boredom of doing the same job. The employees get experience of variety of work, workplace and peer group. It also helps employees to broaden their work experience. The third method of job design is job enlargement. To motivate the employees, companies increase the scope of a job by adding more tasks to it. These additional tasks can be performed with similar skills or efforts, hence there is no need to require new skills. MNCs generally offer foreign assignments to their high performing employees. They may be offered charges of subsidiaries or departments in foreign locations. Job enlargement helps in boosting the morale as well as the productivity of employees. Employees are trained and more versatile employees are developed. The next method is job enrichment. It refers to designing the job in such a way that the employee gets greater autonomy for planning and controlling his own performance. In this way, employees get the opportunity for achievement, recognition, responsibility and growth. Employees can be provided charge of whole foreign subsidiary or may be given a charge of department in a foreign location with full autonomy. Job enrichment provides a meaningful work experience and learning to employees. Employees get higher job satisfaction with enriched jobs. However, properly trained and highly motivated employees can fully utilize the advantages of job enrichment. Otherwise, it may become difficult for employees to handle the enriched jobs. Now, let us discuss latest issues in job design in international context. Latest technologies and complex structures of organizations have led to development of alternative approaches to job design as against the traditional job design approaches. These new job designs help the organizations to manage growing business and also contribute to a better work-life balance of employees. So, there are some of the latest issues. The first one is telecommuting or work from home. Telecommuting includes fulfilling the work responsibilities from home or other locations geographically separate from company's primary location. Generally, MNCs are adopting virtual office concept where employees can communicate and perform their jobs through computer networks, fax machines, telephones and internet connection. The next issue is job sharing. In this style, two or more individuals share the responsibilities of a full-time job. There is division of tasks, responsibilities and compensation as per their mutual consent. Generally, the women expatriates use this style of job design. Next one is flexi working hours. Most of the MNCs offer their employees to choose their work timings which suit them best. There are 3 to 4 working schedules and individuals can choose any of them depending upon their availability. Employees can work in early hours as well as night hours. Next is alternative work patterns. Most of MNCs allow their employees to work on alternate months or seasons. This concept is more prevalent in European and American countries. They also have option of working 2 to 3 full days and can relax after that. The next issue is techno stress. Companies adopting virtual office concept can adopt latest technology to keep a check on employees' performance who prefer to work from home. These technologies are known as techno stress. Task revision. Task revision means to modify the existing work design by reducing or adding the new job duties and responsibilities to a specific job. Skill development. With latest technological and technical changes, there is a continuous need to develop skills of the employees. Hence, skill development can be considered in conjunction with job design. And the last is knowledge work. The traditional job designs based upon tangible assets of the business have shifted to the knowledge work designs which focus on the intangible assets, that is the human brains. This shift has led the HR managers to change strategies, patterns of interaction, role of individual employees and HR practices. Now we can summarize our findings. The quality and characteristics of people to be employed very much depend upon the detailed knowledge about the nature and requirements of jobs, and such knowledge can be obtained through the process of job analysis. So, in general, the job analysis is a detailed and systematic study of jobs to know the nature and characteristics of the people to be employed on various jobs. So, job analysis includes job description and job specification. Keeping in view the international business environment, MNCs define the jobs, duties and responsibilities and collect the information relating to various facets of jobs to determine the work conditions, nature of work, qualities of persons to be employed, position of the job, opportunities available, facilities to be given on the job, etc. And various methods of job analysis are available for an MNC, which include questionnaire, observation method, record, interview, critical incidents, job performance, competency-based job analysis, and many more. On the basis of job analysis, jobs may be redesigned also for improving productivity. MNCs design international jobs to meet the requirements of employees as well as the organization. To motivate the employees to join foreign subsidiaries or ventures, jobs are designed accordingly. Job design includes techniques like job rotation, job enlargement, job enrichment, etc. Thank you.